This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, and you do that because the client needs a server endpoint to connect to. Once done, grab the tenant ID, subscription and resource group, plus the VPN client profile. Zip the portal generates. Now install the Azure VPN Client app on your machine. This app imports the profile and manages the tunnel. Make sure to use the latest build to avoid protocol mismatches. Compatibility matters for authentication and routes. You import the profile into Azure VPN Client because that maps routes and authentication settings automatically. Once imported, select the connection and edit credentials. Enter username, domain, or select your client certificate. Make sure to configure split tunneling versus full tunnel based on resource access needs. Also verify DNS and metric priorities so corporate resources resolve correctly. If you use conditional access, confirm MFA prompts arrive. Otherwise, your authentication will fail at the next step. You click Connect and accept prompts because the client negotiates ICAV2 or Open VPN TLS. Wait for the connected state. Once connected, validate assigned IP, run ping and tracert to confirm routes, and then access internal apps to ensure traffic flows as expected. If things go wrong, check the Azure VPN client logs and the client-side event viewer, re-import the profile, and verify certificate validity or NPS policy entries. These steps typically reveal authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.